Have you ever pondered the value of a single tree? A tree can be seen as a solitary piece of nature's intricate mosaic, but its significance is much more profound. Consider the vast network of roots that burrow deep into the earth, drawing life-sustaining nutrients from the soil. Or the thick, verdant canopy absorbs sunshine, turning it into energy through the miraculous process of photosynthesis. Each tree is a living, breathing testament to the resilience, diversity, and complexity of life on Earth. And what about an entire forest? It is not just a collection of trees, rather it's a bustling, vibrant community of flora and fauna working in harmony to maintain a delicate ecological balance. Each creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a pivotal role in this intricate ballet of life and death, growth and decay. Among these verdant bastions of life is the Hasdeo Forest, India. This lush, sprawling landscape is a testament to the very miracle of existence. Pause for a moment, visualize the towering trees that touch the sky, the multi-hued flowers that paint the ground in kaleidoscopic splendor, the symphony of bird songs that fills the air with melodious harmony, and the whisper of leaves rustling in the wind like a soft lullaby. Now, imagine a world without forests. One absent of the grandeur of towering trees, the enchanting allure of multi-hued flowers, the symphony of bird songs, and the soothing rustle of leaves caught in the wind's gentle caress. It's bleak, isn't it? An image bereft of color, life, and vibrancy, a world devoid of the hum of life and the soothing rhythm of nature. This paints an unsettling picture of a possible future, one that we may have to confront if we do not pull together and actively participate in the preservation of our natural world. Yet, this could be our reality if we don't take steps to protect these irreplaceable havens of biodiversity. The Hasdeo Forest, an expansive stretch of deep green in the core of India, represents far more than just a mere congregation of trees. Immersed in its verdant lushness, one finds a rich, thriving ecosystem, bustling with an abundant variety of life forms. Each organism, regardless of its size or significance, has a distinct role in preserving the delicate equilibrium of the environment. Starting from the tiniest insect humming away under the large green leaves to the towering predators lurking in the shadows, each one adds its unique threads to the intricate and vibrant tapestry of life that the forest encapsulates. The rustling leaves whisper tales of survival, interdependence, and the relentless cycle of life and death that keeps the forest pulsating with energy. However, the significance of the Hasdeo Forest is not confined within its geographical boundaries. Its importance resonates far and wide, impacting the world beyond its leafy borders. It serves as a crucial carbon sink, diligently combating the detrimental impacts of climate. By absorbing massive quantities of carbon dioxide, this forest aids in reducing the greenhouse effect, thereby providing a much-needed respite to our warming planet. Moreover, the Hasdeo Forest is not merely a provider of ecological services, it is also a lifeline for the local communities residing near its periphery. It generously offers them food, medicinal herbs, timber, and other essential resources. The forest is their supermarket, their pharmacy, their hardware store, and much more. It is deeply intertwined their daily existence and is a cornerstone of their economic sustainability. Dotted with ancient trees and hidden trails, the forest also holds deep cultural significance. It is steeped in countless local stories, age-old traditions, and community practices. The rustling leaves are like parchment, holding of generations, of human bonds with nature, of ancient wisdom passed down through ages. The forest is a symbol of heritage, a treasure trove of folklore, and a living testament to the local culture that has evolved around it. And it's a beacon of cultural significance, with countless stories, traditions, and practices intertwined with its existence. Indeed, the Hasdeo Forest, like many of the world's forests, faces a daunting threat. A closer look reveals an unsettling story of destruction. This destruction, unfortunately, is propelled by various factors, most notably commercial logging and the unyielding expansion of agricultural activities. The deforestation of the Hasdeo Forest is a persistent unraveling of this priceless natural bounty. Its rich biodiversity, a testament to nature's grandeur, is being gradually but systematically stripped away. Its towering trees, home to countless species, are being cruelly hewed down. This is no mere loss of timber, It is the disintegration of a complex ecological system that has evolved over millennia. The forest's intricate web of life is being compromised, its balance disrupted, and tree felled is a blow to this complex network. In the context of climate change, forests are our invaluable allies. They serve as the Earth's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing life-giving oxygen. They also act as natural buffers against extreme weather events. Thus, each tree lost in the Hasdeo Forest is a direct assault on our planet's ability to resist climate change, to heal and regenerate. Moreover, it's not just the ecosystem that suffers. The cultural heritage of the local communities, their history and identity intertwined with this forest, is also threatened. They rely heavily on the forest for their livelihood, collecting fruits, nuts and medicinal plants. As such, the depletion of the Hasdeo Forest is a blow to their sustenance, their way of life and their very future. To reiterate, the urgency to conserve the Hasdeo Forest cannot be overstated. Every tree felled, every species lost is a blow to the intricate web of life that this forest supports. It's a blow to our planet's resilience against climate change. And it's a blow to the cultural heritage and livelihoods of the local communities who depend on this forest. Conservation is not just about protecting individual species or even individual forests. It's about preserving the intricate, complex web of life that nourishes and nurtures us all. It's about guaranteeing that the generations that come after us inherit a planet is equally, if not more vibrant, diverse, and aesthetically pleasing than the one we relish today. Understanding conservation means acknowledging the fundamental connections that weave together all forms life on Earth. It's like a vivacious, vast tapestry where each thread, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in maintaining the whole. Pull one thread and the tapestry may begin to unravel. Reflecting on this, the Hasdeo Forest emerges as a perfect representation of the world's forests. It is teeming with life, a veritable smorgasbord of biodiversity. Variety of species living within its boundaries is mind-boggling, each contributing to the health and balance of the ecosystem in its unique way. This forest, like many others, acts as an essential tool for climate regulation. The trees absorb carbon dioxide, and the forest's soil store massive amounts of carbon, helping to mitigate the impacts of climate change. The importance of this role cannot be overstated, especially given the increasing pressures of global warming. Additionally, the Hasdeo Forest is deeply intertwined with human livelihoods and cultural practices. The forest provides a source of income and sustenance for local communities, while their traditions and folklore are steeped in the rich tapestry of the forest's life and landscapes. Despite its importance, the Hasdeo Forest, like many others worldwide, is under severe threat. Deforestation, illegal logging, and other harmful practices are endangering its existence. Its conservation is not just a local issue, but a global imperative. The time to act is now, to ensure that this invaluable natural treasure is preserved for generations to come.